When we were first approached to this project, we understood that the geometry of the space was really, really important. And we allowed that to really inform our decision-making process when designing this light. Being a bit of a space nerd, I'm very much into quantum mechanics and that level of science. And we wanted to create a crystalline structure that sat at the heart center of the building, being able to be seen at various vantage points. If it's coming up the stairs or in various elevations in the building, you really see it as the heart center of the building.